What happens to your body during plank exercise? A plank is a quick and efficient core exercise that targets the entire body while assisting in the development of strength and stability. To know what happens to your body if you plank regularly, watch this video till the end. The plank exercise can be performed in a variety of ways, but the fundamental process is to keep your body parallel to the ground with your stomach facing up and to lift your chest primarily with your hands or elbows. The most important aspect of plank exercise is keeping the position for a few seconds or minutes. It is a well-known yoga stance. Health benefits of plank exercise. 1. Helps reduce belly fat. The most challenging aspect of any weight loss plan is getting rid of visceral or belly fat. Your abs can be worked on with a variety of exercises, and every abs workout includes a plank exercise. The longer you hold the plank posture, the more it helps your core, gives you flexibility, and gives you a tighter stomach. 2. Helps improve your posture. Plank exercise aligns your body perpendicular to the ground, allowing your chest, back, arm and neck in one line. This helps improve your posture by making them healthy and strong. 3. Helps reduce joint and back pains. When you are in the plank position, your spinal cord is straight, which makes them stronger and more resistant to joint pain. As your abdominal muscles get stronger, the body relies less on your back muscles and depends more on your stomach muscles. 4. Helps improve your flexibility. Planks make your posterior muscle groups, not just your glutes, but all of the muscle groups in the back of your body much more flexible. A tip for enhancing the flexibility bonus you'll gain from planking is to do a rocking plank. Once you're in the plank pose, rock your body back and forth by moving your toes a little bit in either direction. How to get the most out of plank exercise. 1. Make sure you practice in front of a mirror or with a partner if you're performing plank exercises at home. 2. Try holding the plank position for no less than 1 minute at a time. 3. To get the most advantages, start with only one plank every day and work up to 3 to 10 over time. 4. After that, gradually add side planks to your routine to help with flexibility.